Heads up! Do you know that these fields and tables no longer exist in Business Central 2020 Release Wave 2? What do these changes mean for you? If the solution depended on those fields, you already had to adjust solution in order to upgrade to Business Central 2020 Release Wave 2. Do you know that more fields and tables will be removed? More than 100 fields and tables are pending removal within 1 year. What does this mean for you? All extensions have to be adjusted within 1 year in order to be compatible with the upcoming major releases of Business Central. Are you concerned about the capacity required to update extensions? Are you concerned about the costs involved? Sign up for One-Click Factory's extension maintenance to ensure extensions are always compatible with upcoming Business Central releases for a fixed monthly fee. Interested in learning more? Get in touch with us today.